Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp web not scanning. To know how to fix WhatsApp web not scanning, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of of WhatsApp here. And when you will see this page, you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage like this, and after that you will click clear cache. Then you will go to clear data, and after that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. That you can know how to fix WhatsApp web not scanning. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.